to another episode of Sia Slurp's Fresh Noodle Fridays. We're making a spam and kimchi yakiudon. So it's a bit spicy, a little salty. It's one of my favorite go-to things to make at home, and it's super quick and easy to make. You can adjust the recipes as you would like, and it's super yummy, so let's get started. So this is the finished product. So you have soft, chewy udon noodles, creaminess from the Japanese mayo, a bit of spice from the kimchi and the gochugaru, and the saltiness and fattiness from the spam. It's so good. I love this recipe. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. Don't forget to like, rate, share, and subscribe, and click on the little bell so you get the notifications so you don't miss any new videos. Thanks guys, and we'll catch you guys in for another episode of Sia Slurp's Fresh Noodle Fridays next week. See ya!